Alright, so you go to your Chrome browser, you get my point, and type pixabay.com. So guys, this is where you will be downloading your free images, you get my point, without copyright. You know, most of us, maybe you don't know that you can be downloading free images here, stock images, without copyright. So you click on this search bar and type mast tower, then you search. So you are gonna see different types of mast tower here. Then you select anyone. So I like this one, understand? So when you click on it, you see download button, then you can download, you get my point. Now this last one here shows that this one gives a better quality, understand? So you can click on any of them and download. So I have downloaded mine, so I only want to show you how to download yours. So when you are done with that one, you get my point, you still have to come back here on this same Chrome. Now you tap on this search bar and type cleanup.pictures. Now you search. Now this particular website here helps you to erase any part of an image, you get my point. Maybe you want to erase a logo from an image, understand? This website will help you do that. So why we are coming here is so that we will be able to remove the mast from the original image. So you tap here to load your image. It will bring you to your gallery. So here is my gallery. So I just selected the mast, you get my point. So when you select the mast, you're gonna see something like this. So I want to explain this particular part for you, because if you click on try pro 3 days free, it means you will have to subscribe, understand? But we don't want to subscribe, we want to use it for this tutorial, you get my point. So what you will do is for you to click on continue with SD, you get my point. So you are going to have this option. So what the next thing for you to do is, this is the brush size they gave you. You can tap on this brush size and reduce it. You can leave it anywhere, it doesn't matter. Now it depends on how you want to erase. Like I want to erase mine from top here. You can erase from top here. Maybe I will leave somewhere there. You get my point. Then I'll click on clean. So when you click on clean, you'll have to wait for some seconds and look at it here. It has erased the mast and you still have the background, you get my point. So you can now save your image. Alright guys, so we are now on Capcut. So I just imported the 2 images we downloaded, you get my point. Now this first one here is the background, and this other one here is the mast tower, you get my point. So like I used to tell you people, once you bring in an image to Capcut, it automatically turns into a video, a 3 seconds video, you get my point. So I don't want it to be 3 seconds, so I will have to tap on the first one right here and extend it. So I will have to leave it maybe 10 seconds or thereabout. Then I will tap on this other one also and drag it to be 10 seconds or so, you get my point. So when that is done, you need to go look for overlay. So click on overlay. Once you click on overlay, the layer is going to come down. Then you place your finger on this particular layer, tap and hold it, drag it to the beginning of the video, you get my point. So now what we are going to do right here is to work on this second layer. But first of all, we will have to duplicate this second layer. So you tap on the second layer, go and look for duplicate. Look for duplicate, you duplicate it. You can duplicate it again, understand? So you can bring it down to join with this. You can bring this other one down also to make it 4 layers. Now we have 4 layers. So guys, I'm using this method so that you will understand. I'm trying to simplify it. You get my point? So that a complete beginner will not have any excuse. Will not say I did not understand. So you make sure you like and comment. If you understand everything, comment you understand and share this video. You know we need to grow. So you bring all of them here depending on the number of layers you want. So I just created 3 layers. Understand? I added with the background. So if I want to add another one, let me add another one to make it 4. So I will just tap on it again and duplicate it. So I will still bring it down. Please watch to the end so you won't make any mistake, because if you miss any step you need to start afresh. So you come here, you can decide to start from, let's say, 2 seconds. So let's count 2 seconds or maybe 1 second. Then you tap on the second layer, you split. You get my point? You tap on the third layer, you split. You tap on the 4th layer, you split. You tap on the 5th layer, you split. Now you split all of them. Then you are going to drag the last one away a bit. You get my point? You drag it away a bit. You drag this one also away. You get my point? Then you still drag this other one. Guys, this method is very simple for a complete beginner to understand, so please watch it very, very well. So at this point, you tap on this particular layer. You come to mask. Come to mask. Click on mask. So when you click on mask, you are going to select rectangle. You get my point? So when you select rectangle, you are going to adjust it. Just try to make it small, something like this. You can position it at the top. You know we have up to 5 layers, so each of them you'll be covering a part. You get my point? So you can just leave that one right there. Then you click on OK. So you will come back to the 3rd layer. Now you have to bring this one a little. Then you tap on it also. You go to mask. Go to mask. Click on mask. Now go back to that rectangle. You get my point? Click on rectangle. So you are going to select from this part the first one, stop. Understand? You do the adjustment. You can make it small so it will be able to cover the 5 or the 4 parts. Understand? So you can just align it like this. Guys, I believe you get my point. So when you have that one like that, you are good to go. You click on OK. So you come to the next layer, bring it a little, tap on it, do the same thing. So you do the same thing depending on the number of layers you created or you want to use. You get my point? So once everything is set, this is how the video is going to be. You get my point? We are not done. You get my point? So you stay tuned and watch to the end. So what you are going to do, the second layer here, this particular one, you come to the beginning of it, then you are going to add keyframe to the beginning of that layer. So from there, you are going to go to basic. Go to basic. Click on basic. Now once you click on basic, you can now move this video a bit. You move the video a bit. Let's go back to that basic. Now you click on basic. So what you want to do now is to rotate it. So you click on rotate, then make it come this way. So you can decide to go to another direction, but I chose to come towards this other direction. You get my point? So look at it. Let me just leave it at 50% degree. Then I'll click on OK. So now I will move this other one down here. Then I will tap on it also. Now I'm going to add keyframe at the beginning. Then towards where I added the second keyframe, I will tap on the second layer, so I will be able to see where I added the second keyframe. Now come back to the third layer. Then I'm gonna go to basic again. Click on basic. Now still on rotate. This time I want to go with minus, so I will just drag it to minus 50. I will stop it at minus 50. You get my point? Then I'll click on OK. So that is how you are going to do till you get to the number of layers you created. You get my point? So guys, when you are done with everything after the last keyframe, you get my point? You can move the video a bit, then go to basic and return everything you did to normal. You get my point? So this one that was on minus 50, so I'm going to return it to 0. You get my point? You return every move you made to normal. Like the one that was minus 50, you bring it back to 0. The one that was 50, you still bring it back to 0. You get my point? So guys, when you are done with everything, you get my point? So this is what you are gonna get. You get my point? So that is just it. This is how to edit this tower magic effect. So if you are not coming and you want to learn how to edit video from scratch, guys, that's what I do for a living. So you can DM me. The link is in the description of this video. So you send me a message on WhatsApp, then you're gonna start immediately. You get my point? So like and share this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates. At this point, you will have to split and delete the ending part, because all of this is no longer useful. So it will split and delete the ending part of each layers. If you watch to this moment, please let me know in the comment section. You get my point? So you're gonna delete everything. So make sure the ending parts of each layers align. You get my point? So from there, you can now export your video to your gallery. You get my point? So see you in our next video.